Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the issues when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot browse Google Chrome or any other browser, along with a Google Play Store. So right here, if we try to download any app or game, it should start but in a pending mode and won't change forever. And this fix will work on your ZTE Axon 30. So now let's open up the settings, navigate all the way down till you see System and Update, open them, find Date and Time, and set time automatically. Make sure that this setting is enabled, and now if you go back to your Google Chrome and reload the page, it should work perfectly. Now the same is with the Google Play Store, as if we try to download the same game, it should start. If it won't start for you, you might need to restart your phone or the app. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.